I'm Paul Hooper, and I'm going to show you how to remove the hard drive from the Toshiba LX830-11D. First of all, it's important to put the screen face down on a blanket to protect it. Then remove the 5 main screws that hold the case together. One, two, three, four, five, then the screw immediately above where the barcodes are. Then the screw that retains the cover to the memory compartment. Removing the cover as well. There's two further screws inside here that need to be removed. One, two, then underneath these rubber grommets there's 2 more screws in the feet of the unit. This is where a magnetic screwdriver comes in really handy. There's a further screw under this little cover. This may contain the USB connector for a keyboard and mouse, but in this case there isn't one. Not as magnetic as I'd like it to be. This is the actual USB connector for the keyboard and mouse for this PC, so that's out. The cover, the front needs to come off of the optical drive bay. Pulls off quite easily. Okay, that screw was retaining that, so the whole thing's come out, but that's fine. Now the whole thing is clipped all the way round. It's best to start at this end. And easily, gently work your way around. Now here is the hard drive. It's held in mainly by 4 screws, one at each corner. Once the screws are released, which they're not quite yet, once the 4 screws have been released, this should come out quite easily. Sometimes it's taped onto that piece there. Then remove the data and power connector. Okay, that's the disc out, and if necessary, unscrew these 4 screws here to take the brackets off.